Yes, water is free. We don't know where it is made. We don't know where it comes from. But once you have collected that water and transmitted to a point of use, that process of providing that service is what is costed. And I think this is an area that we need to educate our people, that we're not selling water. We're just selling you a service of convenience, bringing water closer to where you are. So I think this, I would request the government, the governors, the county governments, and also the national government, so that we can start demystifying this myth that water is free. It is not free.
And that's the reason why the public would say, imagine a thirikari. Why? It is because you end up finding either a donor or a civil society or the government itself goes and drill a borehole. You go do a borehole, no engagement, community just see the borehole being dug, they clap their hands, they celebrate, they are excited, start getting the water, and either the PS or myself or whoever goes and commission the water. After that, a month down the line, a breakage of something, thirikari's idea.
It's no longer enough to say, oh, we need sanitation because children are dying. Okay, yes, but children are also dying from malaria and from X, Y, and Z, right? It makes a difference when we say the economic loss from not investing in sanitation in this county is 280 million Kenya shillings every year.
We knew that we are having issues of access, availability of water, safety of the water, and failure of the systems. Reason being, they are not sustainable. The way they've been implemented, there's zero sustainability models that have been considered. So through the e-water program, we are installing smart taps, prepaid smart taps. We are running a pilot in 3 areas within the county. That's Nkondi, Gekuri, and Kareni. We've clustered the villages. So there's a scoping exercise that we carried out to ensure that where we're going to have the smart taps, it's areas that we actually have population. And this is the rural areas where we are lacking, where we're having big gaps in terms of water supply.
Haya, rero tugira kore akaunti ya Machakos gishigurikia buge kya Mwala.